The Mayor, Masindi Municipality. I want to comment about the building. Recently we had a committee of members of parliament sent here by the National Task Force and the National COVID Task Force. One of the things they identified as challenges in Masindi was one, the hospital buildings and then the RDC's office. The hospital, starting with the hospital, this hospital was built in 1926 with a capacity of about 100. But right now it has over more than doubled. Many people are being admitted there. We have influx of people coming from other districts and also people coming from other countries. So we have a very big challenge. Many people have been here promising to rehabilitate this hospital, but nothing has been done up now. So our presentation, or my presentation as a mayor, was to urge government to take Masindi Hospital as a priority because it's in a very, very bad shape.
Yes, but when they reached here, they worried about the building that is going to fall on us, and you can also see it yourself. This building occupies many officers. We have prisons. This was office, RDC's office, UPDF, the probation officer, fisheries, and so many other people.
Abuchira kwataho bine kureba ngo batebekana so mwanya ko niyo face ya Masindi abakorwa magomborana birukangiro RDC ko barashanga office ne mutera shati ibone bakoraje abakorwa hero bizire kutayira nanka Masindi nibije wa RDC so twanstekate ko kuboneza irwaro stekateke no kuboneza emyanya y'abantu bakushikiramo abo kuba
with the task force. But one of the challenges they have is about burying those who have passed on due to COVID. They have got a burial team from Hoima, which is very, very expensive. But I want to assure you, all those who are watching, that if one has died of COVID, the body has been identified and treated and put in a bag. This body is not a threat to any.
Tu embera ya beriyeta umwire gwa COVID rate ya infection irigeta abarwire abakurwara nabakira nabaraguriza batana baramumbera so no bwire buce ibituri kutunga sako bitwara mu report yone yihanga riyona abo kwana na MP z'abantu bazo muri region zindi rero tukore report aho naho tugito mu parliament tushaba bucira kwataho